Electric motors are used in a variety of industrial applications for controlling movement. Motors are often started and reversed using classic mechanical protective circuits. However, these require a great deal of space as well as a lot of wiring effort and have a limited service life. Contactron Pro is a new version of the Contactron product range, offering simply safety integration and modular extension options, all based on hybrid technology for an increased level of simplicity in functional safety, high system availability and easy handling. Using the DIN rail connector, you can perform an emergency stop group shutdown for all the downstream hybrid motor starters without the need for additional wiring. In addition, all modules can be supplied from the system power supply. The optional response module make it possible to monitor the motor function from the control room.